Hi, changing brake fluid is only half the job. The most important step is bleeding the brake system. If this isn't done properly, your brake may not work the way they should. The purpose of bleeding is simple: to remove trapped air bubbles from the hydraulic brake line. Unlike brake fluid, air compresses, reducing the pressure transmitted to the brake caliper. During bleeding, the brake lever is pumped to build pressure, and then, while holding the lever fully pressed, the bleed nipple is opened briefly to let old fluid and trapped air escape. Then, before releasing the lever, the bleed nipple must be closed again. While repeating this process, one of the biggest mistakes is letting the brake fluid reservoir run empty. If it does, the fresh air enters the system and you will have to start the bleeding process all over again. Keep repeating the process until no more air bubbles appear in the tube and only clean brake fluid flows out. This ensures the hydraulic system is completely filled with new fluid. Once bleeding is complete, tighten the bleed nipple to the correct torque and make sure the reservoir is filled to the recommended level. Finally, check the brake lever. It should feel firm and responsive. If it still feels soft or spongy, air is still trapped inside the system and the brakes should be plugged again.